Hi guys, it's Chris from daxtrader.co.uk. Going to provide a quick video for you to give you an update on the DAX for the 17th of November 2014. I've had a bit of a problem with my laptop over the weekend and today, so I haven't been able to actually provide any content or do my usual trading activities. So this video is going to keep short just so I can test this other laptop to make sure it works. So we'll jump straight into the 5-minute chart with a volume profile. You'll notice straight away that we've had a bit of a bull run today, which is good. We gapped lower to start with, and I'm sure it gave a few people a false signal to go short. They would have lost down here, then given them another false signal as they would have gone long, perhaps up here, and got chopped about. So some of the retail traders scalping today probably would have been smashed up a bit. But if you'd have got in trading after an hour or so and started trading on this jump up, you could have perhaps got in when it pulled back to continue this ride. And we had a double distribution day, so we started off pretty much down here for most of the day, around about the VPOC and the value area levels. We then have surged right through the deviation high to create this new distribution up here, which seems to be where the new developing VPOC is. So a lot of volume around there, and there's a low volume pocket in here. So if we do slice below the 9.3 level, then you can imagine we're going to jump down straight to the 92.75 level fairly quickly, and there'll be a few points there. We'll see whether that's going to be this evening, hope it isn't, or whether it's going to be tomorrow. I entered into a trade a little while ago through my phone because I realised that my wedge formation has been broken. The trade is currently down because it looks like we're having this sort of mini sell-off currently, but we'll wait and see how things progress. I have entered the trade simply because it's burst through both parts of the triangle, retested it a couple of times and hasn't been able to breach back through it, so we'll see whether or not it can stay up there. In terms of levels for the week, I mean, the daily R2 we're looking at is around about the 93.40 level. The weekly R1 is 93.66, and from memory the weekly R2 is around about 94.99, somewhere around there. So I am still overall bullish on the DAX, sort of longer term. Shorter term I was, as in over the next week or so, fairly neutral, bearish, based on the fact that we've been consolidating for the last week. I was expecting it to continue this time round, but today has given us actually a bullish day, which is quite interesting. I haven't been able to have a look at the spot index on the DAX to see what the equities have done for today and where they've closed, so be interesting to see what kind of difference we're looking at between this and the cash index. The daily chart, we were looking at the Kumo cloud being maybe an area that it was going to perhaps start to ride down, but it just seems like it's blasting straight through that. So it'll be interesting to see where it finishes up this evening and how it opens up in the morning. I'm going to leave my trade open, and we'll see what it goes. I think my stop is around about 92.75, and I think I'm aiming for can't remember, 94.30, somewhere around about there. I'll probably be moving my stop if I do manage to get this sort of 20-25 points into profit, move my stop to break even, maybe even a little bit higher, and we'll just trail it and see how far we can take it. I've got an SPX or an S&P 500 trade still open. I think they're going to be my only two open trades, but I don't have a chart to show you for that one because I haven't got it all set up on this new laptop just yet. Don't know how long it's going to be before the laptop's back. I had a hard drive failure, and the company that I bought the laptop from it's got a fairly long-winded process of getting things sorted. It looks like it's all under warranty, so it should be all good. But for the meantime, there's going to be a lot less material from me because the functionality on this laptop is significantly less. So I wish you good luck trading for certainly the rest of the evening if you're going to continue, and for early tomorrow. I'll catch up with you again with another video in the morning.